Okay, let's take a look at problem number 1 on page 410. Problem number 1 on page 410. All right, we have the problem that a hat company claims that the mean hat size for a male is at least 7.25. So first of all the claim of at least, that means greater than or equal to 7.25. Keep in mind that your null hypotheses will have a statement of equality in it. So that or equal to tells me that the claim is the null hypothesis. Therefore, our alternative hypothesis is that the mean is less than 7.25. Okay, and then we go on to have a random sample of 12 hat sizes that has a mean of 7.15 at the significance level of 0.01 or 1%. Can you reject the company's claim? Assume the population is normally distributed and the population standard deviation is 0.27. So I'm going to tackle this problem by using StatCrunch and comparing the p-value that we come up with the significance level. So we know we have a left tail test here. We can use the z-test. I'm going to choose to use the test statistic and the p-value to determine whether I reject or fail to reject the claim. So logging into StatCrunch, we would click on StatCrunch website, and then we would click on, let's just start over there. So we'd click on StatCrunch website, and then we would click on type or paste data into a blank data table. Now I'm going to click on stat. I'm working with Z stats here with one sample with summary. So we want a summary of the data that we enter. So our sample mean was given as 7.15. The standard deviation was given as 0.27, and the sample size was 12. Now we're going to perform a hypothesis test for the mean, and we knew that from the claim that the alternative hypothesis was less than 7.25. So I'll make sure I put less than and type 7.25 in that box above it. So I have the hypothesis test for the mean. The alternative was less than 7.25. We're not concerned about the confidence interval with this particular test. Okay. Then I click compute. Now what I want to see or look at is the p-value. The p-value from that information is 0.0997. So let's keep that in mind. That p-value is 0.0997. So comparing the p-value with our significance level, the p-value was 0.0997, and we see that the p-value is actually greater than our significance level or level of significance. Therefore, when that happens, that tells us that we must fail to reject the claim. Not saying that we absolutely accept it, but we fail to reject the claim. So I could state that as there is not enough evidence at the 1% significance level to reject the company's claim. Okay. Alrighty, I hope that you found that to be helpful. Thank you.